Going on, everybody? Over here on a lease property the night before the PA turkey season opener. Just watched about 6, 7 jakes down here in our one field. They had about 3 or 4 hens with them. Hopefully tomorrow morning, Matt and Haley are going to be up in this blind we have up here, and me and Alex are going up on that hill up there behind me. We call that the kidney up on top. We got a blind set up in there. And I figured with all this wind, these birds would be down in this creek bottom. But today's Chef Alex's birthday. He was going out to birthday dinner. Matt and Haley, I have no idea where they're at. So I'm out here scouting. Leave it up to the mountain man. Opening morning of the PA season. Me and Chef Alex sitting on the, I guess we can call it the power line blind.
Yeah.
We got it. Matt and Haley over on the gas well blind, I guess we'll call that one.
Yeah.
But we got some of the Bow Creek outdoor cameras right up in here. We've been watching a couple hammers up there around 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. So we're hoping that today, being it's kind of windy, they'll get off the top of that hill and come into this bottom, and we'll be able to call them up through here. But Chef Alex is hunting with the Mossberg. I got the Darton back here. We're kind of crammed in here, but we're going to try to pull this off for 2 guys. 2 fat guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna give it hell and see what we can do this morning. Hopefully we can smoke a couple of these Westmoreland County birds.
Lord knows we got enough of them over here.
Yes, we do. So stick around. We'll see you when it gets daylight. I think they're all jakes. Here they come, buddy. Come on, boys. He's a jake too. Hey. Now you want to play like big birds? We're going to kill them like big birds. couple that got decent beers. You gotta dust one of these when they come in here, dude. Oh, here they come. Don't matter, whatever one you want to kill. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Doubled with one gun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it done.
Oh man, I can't hear.
I'm sorry. Yes. Yes.
I hope you didn't get it on video of me almost dropping the gun when I shot. Oh man, I forgot how bad those 8-30. Oh, there's no way. He ain't got no head.
No, there's none. Hey, here it is again. Me and Alex together, a double. The first year we turkey hunted together, we got a double. This year, when you see the footage, what we have, 7
7 or 8. Yeah.
7 or 8 jakes come running in and was going to beat up on the decoy. I couldn't get the bow. So Alex gave me the gun after he shot. I shot another bird. So
That's pretty good.
and look at the birds.
Yeah.
There's still birds out in the field.
Yeah, doubling up with one gun.
Awesome. So we're going to get these birds and we will get back to you. April 29th, 2023, 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Me and this man right here on the same day. First time I got to hunt this property with him, we did the same identical thing. We doubled up on 3 birds, 3 jakes that came in down there. We did it again today. But today,
One gun.
one gun. The bow was sitting in the back of the blind because we're in a smaller blind than normal.
Yep.
I couldn't have the bow up front with me because of the camera taking up all the space. 2 hens came out early, fed down there for a while, made their way down in. We got a food plot on that side over in them woods over there. And we're sitting there talking, and, you know, just about the same time last year that Alex had to get up and take a leak.
Yeah.
He was like, hey, you know, starting to get fidgety. I looked down and I said, hey, we got a bunch of people coming to the party that wasn't invited. We looked down there and there's a ton of turkeys out in the field, and I started zooming in on them and I could see red and blue heads. Could see they were jakes. And I said to Alex, I said, if they play the game, we're going to kill them.
Yep.
And they played the game. I hit them with the RD1 box call at, what was that, 200 yards? 250 yards?
Yeah,
easy.
they were down there pretty good.
And they let out the first gobble. Then they gobbled again. And it was just, from then on, it was just them coming straight up the field. Once they got within 40 yards, 50 yards, they noticed the DSD posturing Jake out with the feeding hen. They focused right on this bird. We're 9 yards away from the blind.
Yeah.
Exactly 9 yards. 14 eyeballs.
Yeah.
And not a single one of them picked us out.
No. And I was even moving the gun around in there,
Yeah.
going through different windows.
Yeah. Because they come running, and I mean, you'll see in the video, they were so freaking tight that it was unreal. We had to wait for them to get back. They gave us really good footage. They gobbled like they were supposed to. They played the game.
Yep.
So they died like big birds. I mean,
Yeah. You want to play like a big bird? Well,
you're going to die like a big bird. You know, this is what it's about, though. This friendship.
yep.
I mean, Haley and Matt are over here right now. Matt's running another camera, taking pictures. Haley's back there space booking.
I am.
So, you know, this is it, man. This is what hunting's about. I don't care. This bird's going to taste as good as one with a big long beard.
Yep.
So
Maybe even better because he's younger.
yeah. So we're going to get them tagged up, get our stuff cleaned up, and see if we can't work a bird for these other two. I'm sure we got some here somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Just got to go home and figure out how I'm going to cook these things up. That's all.
We're going to have Philly turkey sandwiches.
Oh, yeah. I got peppers and onions at the house. So
There you go.
We're good to go.
Smothered in cheese.
We'll just have Haley run to the store and get us some rolls.
So, thanks for joining us on the Keystone Experience. Check out our sponsors. Just me and my bird.